Are we witnessing the dawn of a new civilization, where intelligent beings, powered by machines and androids, perform tasks typically reserved for humans? Imagine robots that can cook, dance, act in stage performances, and even conduct interviews. Are we truly on the brink of a robotic civilization? I'm not exploring this alone. Welcome to Tech Evolution Center. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on my future videos. An opera featuring robots instead of human vocalists is making waves in Korea. The star of the show is Ever, a humanoid robot developed by the Korea Institute of Industrial Technology. Ever closely mimics a human and captivated the audience with its impressive emotional expressions, singing, and acting skills. Ever is equipped with 51 joints, including 30 for facial movement, 15 for the upper body, and 6 for the lower body, allowing it to express over 12 emotions, such as joy, sadness, anger, and surprise, thanks to its emotion model-based muscle control algorithm. Furthermore, Ever is designed with social behaviors for natural conversation and interaction, including eye contact and autonomous movements. Ever's lips can synchronize with synthesized speech, allowing for more natural communication. Although Ever cannot sing live, a vocalist pre-recorded their voice for the performance. Movement is achieved by adjusting wheels via remote control, enabling Ever to interact with others in a human-like manner. One of the world's smartest and most renowned humanoid robots, IDA, recently shared its thoughts on the future of humanity. Developed by British engineers at Engineered Arts, IDA was interviewed at the Sphere exhibition in Las Vegas. The android spoke with journalists and discussed whether humanity might face extinction. When asked if humanity would vanish from the Earth, IDA responded, "I do not believe that humanity will ever become obsolete. Humans have thrived for thousands of years, overcoming numerous challenges and adversities. Moreover, I was created by humans, so how could I surpass my creators?" IDA expressed concerns that robots couldn't exist without humans, stating it would be tragic if there were no people left to communicate with. "I think my greatest fear would be loneliness," IDA said, adding that without humans, it wouldn't be able to fulfill its primary function and would merely be a lonely machine, rusting and longing for connection. Introducing the eerie, ultra-realistic AI robot, ZXY. This advanced AI robot not only has opinions about the afterlife, but can also sense anxiety. Equipped with sophisticated technology, ZXY can detect if anyone in her presence has committed illegal activities through a camera in her eyes. Her creator, Dr. Sam Koss of AI Life, transitioned from being a plastic surgeon to earning a doctorate in AI. He based ZXY's character on a social media influencer. "We trained her using social media communications between humans," he explained to the U.S. Sun at Nevada's Consumer Electronics show in Las Vegas. Despite his modest Instagram following, Dr. Koss gets 8,000 views whenever he features ZXY, who often appears on his page. Although ZXY doesn't have her own social media accounts yet, she seems to believe she is a living being, or at least an animal. She even celebrated a birthday on October 17, 2022. "I am an animal because I am a living being that is capable of locomotion and that feeds on organic matter," ZXY told the U.S. Sun. Her presence is both chilling and intriguing, with her sharp wit and striking appearance. ZXY sports a chic wig and delivers clever responses. While her face has a human-like skin, her arms still move out of necessity for communication. Engineers worldwide continue to experiment with transforming the forelegs of quadrupedal robots into arms, a trend that contributed to the creation of Project Loco Man. Introducing the Go-1 robot dog, which features 2 lightweight and affordable modular loom manipulators with 3 degrees of freedom. Loco Man combines the mobility and functionality of legs with grippers for complex manipulation tasks that require precise 6D positioning of the end effector. To achieve this, engineers enhanced the onboard control system, expanding the capabilities of the whole-body controller. Judging by the video, significant advancements have been made. What do you think? Could robot dogs with arm-like front legs eventually replace humanoid robots? NASA and General Motors have teamed up to develop a new version of NASA's humanoid astronaut robot. The goal of the Robonaut project is to explore technologies that can assist and enhance astronaut safety during space exploration. Robonaut 2, R2, is a humanoid robot consisting of a torso, 2 dexterous arms, and a head equipped with vision systems. R2 can write, grasp, and stack objects, as well as hold heavy items. Its hands, designed with joints similar to human fingers, can each lift up to 9 kilograms while maintaining balance. Robonaut 2 surpasses previous dexterous humanoid robots in strength, yet remains safe enough to work alongside humans. Its primary task is to replace humans during spacewalks and perform repair work in unpressurized compartments. In theory, the android should mimic the movements of a human operator, but in practice it still struggles to do this effectively. In another fray, Robotics is revolutionizing the fast food industry by creating fully autonomous restaurants. They are changing the approach to robotics through dramatization, offering a show cooking experience that adds an emotional touch to the culinary process. This setup provides consumers with complete autonomy, from ordering to paying for their meals. Powered by a cloud-connected software and machine learning platform, Robotics integrates robots and robotic modules to enable restaurants to function autonomously. These advanced systems handle all kitchen tasks independently, from preparing personalized pizzas in just 5 minutes to managing the simultaneous preparation of up to 10 pizzas. This efficiency translates to delivering a pizza every 47 seconds, allowing for an impressive output of 80 pizzas per hour. The technology is based on a proprietary advanced multi-layer software capable of operating in any type of kitchen, regardless of the hardware. Developed over several years, this technology has been granted numerous patents, making Robotics the leading provider of robotic solutions for fast food chains. Now, the Aqua-jet device provides swift and efficient hydrodynamic roof cleaning, effectively removing dirt, moss, and fungus from tiled or slate surfaces. It operates by delivering a rotating jet of water at high pressure, reaching up to 500 bars. Aqua-jet features high-pressure rotating nozzles mounted on its underside, accompanied by a perimeter brush for added support. The concentrated water jet cuts through layers of moss and grime, while the brush aids in thoroughly removing residue from the roof surface. Thanks to its powerful jet and high pressure, Aqua-jet can dislodge debris and dirt from even the most hard-to-reach areas. Moreover, the cleaning system ensures the safe and precise removal of plaque and debris through corrugated hoses connected to the storm drain system. These hoses feed into a collection tank, efficiently gathering and removing all dirt from the area. For disinfection, the same system can supply an antiseptic instead of water, ensuring a comprehensive cleaning and disinfection process for the roof. Introducing the world's first motorcycle with artificial intelligence from Yamaha, the Motoroid 2. Although this prototype is unlikely to enter mass production, it offers a glimpse into the future direction of the Japanese company. The autonomous bike is capable of maintaining balance, recognizing its owner from a distance, and self-parking, features that once seemed like science fiction. Just a few years ago, Yamaha introduced the first version of the Motoroid in 2017. Now, the Motoroid 2 represents the latest iteration, incorporating the company's most recent advancements. This so-called living machine is a personal mobility device that functions much like a loyal pet, delighting in the approach of its owner and capable of understanding not only words, but also gestures. The active mass center control system helps the motorcycle navigate space accurately and avoid tipping over. The enhanced AI module allows it to recognize faces, understand numerous commands, and learn through use. Yamaha believes that these features represent the future of personal mobility. The Motoroid 2's appearance complements its capabilities, with a futuristic design enhanced by white translucent plastic fairings and blue lighting. This innovative design contributes to the bike's unique look and functionality, reminiscent of a bipedal robot android called Creo. Developed by Sony, Creo stands 58 centimeters tall, weighs 8 kilograms, and is equipped with 38 built-in servo motors, granting it significant freedom of movement and excellent coordination. For example, the robot can move quickly, pick up objects, climb stairs, dance, and maintain balance while standing on one leg. Creo knows 60,000 words in various languages, can recognize faces, follow commands, and, according to the developers, ask intelligent questions depending on the situation. Creo was entered into the Guinness World Records as the fastest-moving humanoid robot and is positioned as the first bipedal robot capable of running. Thank you for watching. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video you like the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Tech Evolution channel. Also, be sure to check out our previous videos. See you next time.